All right. Well, we're going to work this week on. Oops. I turned on my wheelchair. Without doing that, we're going to work this week on power wheelchairs and we're going to work on manual wheelchairs. I have no idea what's going to go work on me, but I'm going to do that. So on power wheelchairs, we're going to work on going, in your room or we're going to go to the kitchen. We're going to go out up to the second floor, things like that, so that understand how you're doing on your power wheelchair. I'm going to also to work a little bit on the manual wheelchair for myself and see what I can tell you what I did or didn't do. So that's going to do what I didn't do. It's going to be a little crazy, but I'll do the power wheelchair for sure. And then I'll put in also the manual wheelchairs and using those for people who use, these are regular medical power wheelchairs. So I'll see how it does going in and out without I don't kill somebody. I will show you how this will work. so then, maybe having both, power wheelchair, manual wheelchair, and then I'll talk about the Wednesday there. On Wednesday, we'll look at a few things, that will work, when you're working for different types of wheelchairs and what will help your home, your area where you stay with your bed and your when you have to have your area where you do your bathroom, those kind of things, so you can get out and in without hurting yourself. So I'm hoping this will help a little bit for this week to look at. All right, people. Any questions about that? I think will help us to look at the coming of Monday, and you'll see what comes to come. All right, take care. Bye-bye.